You are going to love this video, so be sure to give it a big thumbs up, and consider subscribing to the channel so we can let you know when new videos are published.
Hi and welcome. This video is about 10 free internet marketing training courses. You can sign up for 10 free digital marketing courses and certification programs. Each course includes a free ebook. An important point about the training courses is that each one is geared for beginners. The 10 courses are: Free Online Marketing Fundamentals course and certification, Free Search Engine Marketing course and certification, Free Social Media Marketing course and certification, Free Web Analytics course and certification, Free SEO Search Engine Optimization course and certification, Free Affiliate Marketing course and certification, Free Blogging course and certification, Free E-commerce course and certification, Free Content Marketing course and certification, Free Email Marketing course and certification. The courses are by eMarketing Institute, which is based in Copenhagen, Denmark. eMarketing Institute began in 2014. So far, they have helped over 300,000 students. Each course comes in a free ebook. The course is between about 150 and 165 pages in length. Each course has a customer review rating between 4.5 and 4.65 out of 5.0 with thousands of reviews. At the time of the making of this video, eMarketing Institute had no complaints or unfavorably customer posts. The feedback is very positive. Certification is optional, but it is included and it is free. If you opt for certification, you will have 60 minutes to answer 50 test questions. You will need to get 25 questions correct in order to pass and receive your certification. The website address is https://www.emarketinginstitute.org/free-courses. Education is proven to be the best shortcut to success. These free courses cover all the important areas of internet marketing. The training receives rave reviews, certification is available, and your cost is zero. This is available from eMarketing Institute. The website address again is https://www.emarketinginstitute.org/free-courses.
If you are finding value in this video, please be sure to give it a big thumbs up, and consider joining the channel so that we can let you know when new videos are uploaded. Thank you for watching, and much success!